Greetings, everyone. Today's topic is one that might not be on your radar just yet, but it's essential to get ahead of: taxes. Tax day 2024 is creeping closer, and we're here to guide you through the key dates and information you need to know. So, let's dive in. Tax season for 2022 is poised to commence in January, with the federal tax return deadline set for April 15th. However, there's more to it than meets the eye. Most individual income tax returns for the 2023 tax year are due on April 15th, 2024. If that date falls on a weekend or holiday, the deadline shifts to the next business day. Reflecting on 2023, tax day was on a Saturday, moving the deadline to the following Monday. Yet April 17th was Emancipation Day in Washington, D.C., pushing the official tax deadline to April 18th. In 2024, April 15th falls on a Monday, making it tax day for most. However, residents of Maine and Massachusetts have until April 17th due to Patriots' Day and April 16th being Emancipation Day. But when can you actually start filing your taxes? You can technically do so as soon as you have all the necessary information and tax documents. Tax preparers like TurboTax and H&R Block typically release their software in November. Key forms such as the W-2, 1099 MISC, and 1099 NEC are expected to be sent out by January 31st. The IRS, however, hasn't officially announced the start date for the 2024 tax filing season. In recent years, they began accepting and processing returns in late January. For instance, in 2023, the IRS announced on January 12th that they would start accepting returns on January 23rd. So if you're eager to get a jump start on your taxes, late January is a good estimate for the 2024 tax season kickoff. Filing early isn't just about getting it out of the way. There are tangible benefits to being proactive. First, filing early means you'll receive your refund faster. The IRS processes refunds in the order they receive returns, so the sooner you file, the quicker you get your money back. Another crucial advantage of early filing is the prevention of fraud. Identity thieves often target taxpayers by using stolen social security numbers to file fake returns and steal refunds. By filing your legitimate return early, you reduce the risk of falling victim to such fraudulent activities. Now, let's shift our focus to state taxes. While we've covered the federal tax deadlines, it's crucial to remember that many states also impose income taxes. In most cases, states align their tax deadlines with the federal due date, which is April 15th or April 17th for residents of Massachusetts and Maine. However, there are exceptions. For instance, in New Mexico, if you choose to e-file, you get some extra time with a state tax filing deadline of April 30th. In Virginia, it's May 1st, and in Louisiana, tax returns and payments are due by May 15th. It's crucial to check your state revenue department's website to find out the specific tax filing deadline in your state for 2024. Now, let's explore a scenario where you might need more time to file your federal taxes. Life can get busy, and sometimes keeping track of deadlines becomes a challenge. If you find yourself needing an extension, the IRS makes it relatively straightforward. You have a few options for obtaining an automatic extension. You can make a payment and specify that it's for an extension, submit Form 4868 online regardless of your income, or send in a paper version of IRS Form 4868. This extension grants you an additional 6 months, moving your new federal tax deadline to October 15th. However, it's crucial to understand that while this extension gives you more time to gather your paperwork, it doesn't postpone the deadline for paying your taxes. You need to estimate and pay what you owe by the original April 15th deadline to avoid potential IRS penalties for late filing. If you find yourself in a situation where you need help with your current year or past due taxes, it's advisable to consider contacting a tax professional. Reputable tax relief companies can guide you through your options for filing back taxes and even help you set a payment plan if needed. Lastly, let's address one common question. When will you get your tax refund for the 2023 tax year? The IRS is known for processing and sending out the majority of tax refunds within 21 days of receiving a federal return. It's a relatively quick turnaround, ensuring you get your money in a timely manner. However, there are certain situations that might cause your refund to take longer. By law, the IRS can't issue refunds for returns claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit and Additional Child Tax Credit before mid-February. Refunds associated with paper and amended tax returns also tend to experience delays. So there you have it, a detailed look at the intricacies of tax deadlines for 2024. We've covered federal and state deadlines, the benefits of filing early, how to get a tax extension, and what might impact the timing of your tax refund. Remember to stay informed, mark those calendars, and be proactive in managing your tax obligations. If you found this information helpful, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks a lot for joining us, and until next time, happy filing and stay financially savvy. As we wrap up today's discussion, we want to express our gratitude for your continued support. If you have any specific topics that you'd like us to cover in future videos, do drop them in the comments down below. Until then, take care and see you in the next video.